So principle 3 is all about how we go about making what we make, the ways that we go about manufacturing. So for more than a century, closer to 150 years, we've been able to create extraordinary things through extraordinary methodologies. But the methodologies that we use to make those things were often using building blocks that were toxic. Things like cyanide, things like acutely lethal phosgene, things like chlorine, and on and on. So what principle 3 is all about is saying, yes, we want to accomplish these wonderful manufacturing processes, these wonderful synthetic methods, but do it without all of the hazard, all of the harm, all of the adverse consequence.
One of the phrases that I guess principle 3 reminds me of a phrase that I learned from one of my earliest teachers of chemistry, which is the phrase hammer and tongs chemistry. It's like you can get chemistries to do what you want them to do through torturing them, through banging on them, through forcing them down unnatural pathways, but sometimes undesirable pathways. That's not an elegant solution.
That's a great story because, one of the things that I often talk about with some colleagues is you want to use molecular psychology.
Right.
You want to look at the molecule and say, what would the molecule want to do?
Exactly.
Right? What does it want to do energetically? How would it want to change structurally? And rather than torturing it through the most aggressive high pressures, high temperatures, reactive substrates, you're able to come up with more elegant, beautiful chemistry.